It's summer vacations, and this is an ideal time to teach the skills which require persistent and regular effort, especially self-help skills. So let us look at one very important skill that our children have to learn, that is washing after going to potty. This skill is a little difficult because it involves the hands going at the back, and for this what you do is you can start off with few games to help the children learn this task. Simple game, take two plates. I have taken plastic, you can even take paper plates, and teach your child to tap at the back. So hands have to go at the back and tap, not up or like this, but it has to go like this. This is one game that you play. Another game that you can play is tie a tight band, a dupatta or a towel like this, and fix a mug at the back. The mug has to be a little towards the left side because the left hand is the one that we are going to use. Then slowly move it to the middle and give your children ball or ring or whatever and teach them to put it inside the mug. This is how they do it. In addition to that, what you do is during the course, till the time that they learn, after they finish potty, after you have finished washing, pour water and teach your child to wash himself after you have cleaned it. And another thing that you have to do is teach your child to handle konju sticky things, say a pulpy banana or a little bit of food that has fallen or something like that, so that they overcome the sensory issues that could come in the way of cleaning themselves after the potty. Do try it out with persistent effort. By the time the school starts, children would have learned this skill.